Now, a noun is a word used to identify people, places, or things. These kinds of nouns are called common nouns. Or, a noun is a word used to name a particular one of these. And those kinds of nouns are called proper nouns. For example, in the sentence, we have you can buy coffee at Starbucks. Now, the word Starbucks is a proper noun because it is a word used to name a particular place. Starbucks. And on the other hand, the word coffee is a common noun because it is a word used to identify a thing. Now, a proper noun is a noun that refers to a unique thing, such as names, names of cities, planets, corporations, etc. But a common noun usually refers to a class of things. For example, London is the capital of Great Britain. London, name of a city. Great Britain, name of a country. Also note that proper nouns are unique names, and so they are capitalized. So for example, here we have Olivia wants to travel around Europe next year. The word Olivia is a unique name, so it's capitalized. The same with the word Europe. We should also capitalize proper nouns that are names of festivals. For example, Christmas and Thanksgiving are my two favorite holidays. Now, the proper nouns Christmas and Thanksgiving are names of festivals, and so they should be capitalized. We should also capitalize the name of a person's title. For example, everything depends on President Trump and his decision. The proper noun president is the title of Trump, and so it should be capitalized. Also, we should capitalize the names of books, films, plays, and paintings. We use capital letters for the nouns, adjectives, and verbs in the titles. For example, I've just finished reading The Old Man and the Sea. The Old Man and the Sea is the title of the book I've just finished reading. Now, sometimes we use a person's name to refer to something they have created. For example, we were listening to Mozart the other day. I'm reading an Irish Murdoch now. Now, when you use a word about a family member, for example, mom, dad, uncle, capitalize it only if the word is being used exactly as you would use a name. In other words, if you were addressing the person directly. If the word is not being used as a name, it's not capitalized. Now, for example, in this sentence we have, please ask dad if he can buy wine on his way home. The word dad is used to address the person directly, so it's capitalized. And in this sentence, is your dad coming over for dinner? The word dad is not capitalized because it's not being used as a name. Now, whenever you see a capitalized word, question whether or not it is a proper noun. Make sure that the capitalized word is in fact a noun, as there are also proper adjectives. For example, in this sentence we have Asia is one of the continents of the world. The word Asia is the name of the continent. So it's a proper noun. And in the sentence, we have, I don't really like Asian food. The word Asian is a proper adjective. It is a word used to describe the noun food. Now, let's review some points and practice a bit. I want you to read the following sentence and underline the nouns that refer to a unique thing. Brenda went to Germany last year. He liked Berlin and Munich the most. Brenda, Germany, Berlin, Munich. Name of a person, country, city. Note that we should also capitalize proper nouns that refer to festivals, people's title, the name of books, films, plays, and paintings. Let's start with festivals. Read the following sentence and underline the proper noun that refers to festivals. When are we celebrating Easter this year? Easter. People's title? You need to contact Dr. Drake to receive further information. Doctor. The names of books, films, plays, or paintings. I'm dying to see Heartbreak House. Heartbreak House. Also, sometimes we use a person's name to refer to something they have created. Read the following sentence and find a word that refers to that something a person has created. I heard that a Van Gogh was sold for $20 million. Van Gogh. Now, when you use a word about a family member, for example, mom, dad, uncle, capitalize it only if the word is being used exactly as you would use a name. In other words, if you were addressing the person directly. Read the following sentences and decide in which sentence the word mom should be capitalized. Please ask mom if she knows that I'll be late. Does your mom know that I'll come home later today? Great. Now, whenever you see a capitalized word, make sure you question whether or not it is a proper noun. Make sure that the capitalized word is in fact a noun, as there are also proper adjectives. Now let's practice. At Easter, kids get candies from Easter bunnies. Which Easter is a proper adjective and which is a proper noun? Great. Now here is a short story using proper nouns. Listen as I read so you can see how they are used in real-life conversation. After I'm done, make sure you understand all the grammar and read aloud yourself to work on your own fluency and pronunciation. Emma, what did you get for Christmas? My mom and dad got me a Polaroid. I was beyond happy. Wow, that's such a cool gift. Yeah, I know. And what did you get? My parents bought me a trip to New York for 5 days. I've never been to the East Coast, so I'm looking forward to it. I'll go there in the summer though. That's amazing. Don't forget to take photos. Now time for you to practice on your own. Read the following sentences and decide whether the underlined words should be capitalized. A. Honestly, I don't really like Coca-Cola. B. My Aunt Kelly is a wonderful person. C. See the list of 2018 Oscar nominations, including Best Pictures, Best Actors and Actresses, and more. D. I'm sure you like Pride and Prejudice. E. Maybe we should get some fast food for dinner. F. Pam studied engineering at college. G. Texas is the second largest state in the United States by both area and population. H. When I saw a Monet for the first time, I was blown away. I. Kate doesn't like winter months that much. J. Under the U.S. Constitution, each state is given a number of electoral votes in rough proportion to its population. Now, let's check your answers. Honestly, I don't really like Coca-Cola. Capitalized. My Aunt Kelly is a wonderful person. See the list of 2018 Oscar nominations, including Best Picture, Best Actors and Actresses, and more. I'm sure you'd like Pride and Prejudice. Maybe we should get some fast food for dinner. Pam studied engineering at college. Texas is the second largest state in the United States by both area and population. When I saw a Monet for the first time, I was blown away. Kate doesn't like winter months that much. Under the U.S. Constitution, each state is given a number of electoral votes in rough proportion to its population. Thank you for watching this tutorial.